recipe that my family and I like. So we're going to start off with using pink Himalayan salt, Italian seasonings, garlic powder, Mrs. Dash. I have 3 cloves of fresh garlic, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, mushrooms, and black olives I like out of the can, as well as your choice of noodles. So I'm going to use the spiral noodles, but again, you're more than welcome to use whatever noodles you're interested in. And I'm going to make this recipe with ground turkey. I like ground turkey, so that's what I'm going to use. All right, I'm going to get my area all prepared and start with cutting up the vegetables. My area has been cleaned, so now I'm getting ready to cut up my garlic cloves, my green and red bell pepper, and then I will also chop up smaller. My ground turkey in a pan. It's just 1 pound of ground turkey, but you're more than welcome to add sausage to your ground turkey. I'm just using, for this simple spaghetti recipe, just ground turkey, and then I'll doctor it up with my different seasonings that I have. Let me go ahead and turn this on to a medium-high heat. All right, so I have this in here, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and season it with garlic powder. I'll sprinkle garlic powder in there, like lots of garlic powder. Italian seasonings. I'll also add some additional Italian seasonings to the dish once everything has been incorporated into my pan where my spaghetti noodles are. I have some Mrs. Dash seasoning. There's no salt in this, but I will add some of this pink Himalayan salt. So just a couple little twists of that. Not too much, but just enough. All right. So I'll go ahead and just break this up a little bit. All right, so this is starting to cook. As you can see, the smoke coming up. Add a little more Italian seasoning. And then I've already cut up my veggies, which was the green bell pepper, red bell pepper, garlic, also onion I added. So I'll go ahead and mix all of this up once this ground turkey starts to cook a little bit. So I have broken everything up. And it doesn't take too long for the ground turkey to cook. This right here will not have a whole lot of grease because when it was ground, they did not ground up the skin with it. So this is just the turkey meat. And again, like I stated before, if you're not a ground turkey person, that is understandable. You're more than welcome to use ground beef, sausage, Italian sausage links, whatever it is that your heart desires or your family likes. All right. So once it starts to cook a little more, then I'll go ahead and add in the onion and bell pepper and all that good stuff. wonderful. Ah. So it's red bell pepper, green bell peppers, onions, garlic. You're more than welcome to add whatever it is to this dish. I will also add, because I love how olives taste, so I'm going to also incorporate some olives in here. And the olives, it's already chopped, so there's no additional work that needs to be done on my end. I'll go ahead and add these olives. Let me get a spoon for this. And add the olives in here. They're packed in there pretty tight. So again, if you don't like olives or mushrooms, you can leave these ingredients out. So I'll go ahead and mix all this up. It smells delicious. Ooh. And then I'll put a lid over this for a few minutes while it cooks down. Alright, let me go ahead and put a lid over this so this can cook down, and then I will add my mushrooms. I added the mushrooms to this, so now we have the ground turkey meat, the red bell pepper, green bell pepper, onions, garlic, olives, chopped olives, and then I have the mushrooms that I just added, so I'm going to let that cook down as well. This is going to be a hearty spaghetti sauce to go on top of my spaghetti noodles. All right, this smells delicious. Oh my goodness, this smells wonderful. Alright, so what I'm going to do is put the lid back on this and let this continue to cook down. And then I will come back to it and see how everything's going. Alright, so the mushrooms have cooked down. They're still cooking down. What I'm going to do is go ahead and add my spaghetti sauce to this. Yes, I'm going to add my spaghetti sauce. Alright. And so it's just a basil and tomato, but you're more than welcome to use whatever you like. Whatever your preference is. That's not a problem at all. This is what we have a taste for. Okay, let's go ahead and add this sauce in there. And once I add the sauce, I'm going to let that simmer for just a few minutes. I'll have that in there. Let me go ahead. Okay, let's go ahead and mix this up so we can get a nice boil on this. So this right here is going to be a hearty tomato soup. And if it's too chunky for you, you can leave some of the ingredients that I incorporated into my spaghetti. You can leave them out if your family does not like the chunkiness. Wow, this smells delicious. Oh, I can't wait to dig in. So I'm going to turn this on a fairly high heat to get it boiling, and then I'll turn it down so it'll simmer while I am cooking my spaghetti noodles. add some more, even though there's fresh garlic powder. And I'll add some oregano this time because I already added the Italian seasoning. And then I will also add some black pepper to the dish. And then I'll stir all this up. Let this simmer while I start cooking the spaghetti noodles. Alright, my water is boiling. It has already been salted. I'm going to go ahead and add my tricolor rotini spaghetti noodles. My grandson likes this. So I'm going to add 1.5 boxes of this to my water, and I will let it boil for about 7 minutes, 6 to 7 minutes, depending on your preference. You can let it go a little shorter if that's what you like, but I like mine's al dente, so not too soft or not too hard, but just in the middle, sort of like that little riddle that everyone grew up listening to. Just right is how I like it. All right, so go ahead and add in the first box. All right, so let's go ahead and add the first box of spaghetti noodles. And then we're going to add 1/2 box. So 1 and 1/2. That's about half of the noodles. All right, let's go ahead and stir this up, just to prevent the noodles from sticking. And so these noodles supposedly have carrots and spinach. The orange ones are the carrots and the green are the spinach. But you're more than welcome to use whatever type of noodles that you like. And also as well, you're not able to taste the spinach or the carrots. Alright, so I'll let that boil and then come back. Alright. This is the texture I'm looking for, so I'm getting ready to drain this water off. These noodles are al dente, how my family and I like them. I'm going to drain the water off and then mix everything together for the yummy spaghetti. To add my pasta to this, and then it'll be time to eat. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and mix my spaghetti sauce. I don't want it to splash all over, so initially I'll just spoon it off in here. It's nice and hearty. Yes, it is. So if you like yours more runny or dry, I like mine in the middle. But this right here is some tasty stuff. Alright, so let's go ahead and mix all this up. And oh wow, this smells so yummy. spaghetti is done. This is how my family and I like it. Oh my goodness, it smells delicious in here. We're gonna have some garlic bread with it. So what I'm going to do is plate this up and enjoy. Okay, let me go ahead and set my plate right here so I can go ahead and plate this up. Oh my goodness, it smells wonderful. Look at that. All those bell pepper and onions. And then if you like cheese, you can add cheese to it if you like. Oh wow, this is delicious. I can already tell. Well, thanks